What happens if you keep driving with a cracked windshield in Oxnard? Driving with a cracked windshield increases the risk of glass shattering, impairs visibility, and compromises structural integrity during collisions. The crack can worsen with temperature changes or road vibrations. Continued driving may also result in legal fines, especially if the damage obstructs the driver's view. In Oxnard, California, traffic enforcement officers frequently issue citations for cracked windshields that pose safety hazards. Local regulations require immediate repair if the damage interferes with a driver's field of vision, making early intervention both a safety and legal priority. Oxnard Mobile Auto Glass helps drivers avoid these risks by offering fast, on-site windshield repairs and replacements. Their certified technicians handle all types of auto glass damage, ensuring vehicles stay safe and compliant with Oxnard's strict road safety standards. Call Oxnard Mobile Auto Glass now at 805-625-9344 or visit www.oxnardmobileautoglass.com